from a number I didn't know. It was so strange, I knew who it was from the moment she said hello. And I paused for a minute, I couldn't believe it. I kept my cool so my girl just wouldn't see it. She said, I'm sorry, but there's something you should know. This is what she said to me. I can't let you go, no I can't let you go. She said, I'm having such a hard time. Then I heard, I can't let you go, I just can't let you go. And then she said, I think I'm losing my mind, 'cause I still love you. This I must confess, I guess I still need you. I feel I have to tell you this again. Guess I still want you. You know this wasn't in my plan. So if I've interrupted anything, I promise I won't call you again. So I told her my heart felt the same that it did before. Things never changed, my feelings never went away, girl. My heart never closed the door. No, it never closed the door. Then I stopped for a minute, had to think about my lady and what we have going on. She's about to have my baby. Girl, you waited much too long. I gotta let you go, I'm hanging up the phone. This conversation can't go on no more. I gotta let you go, 'cause if I don't let you go, I fear that I might let you still love you. This I must confess, I guess I still need you. I feel I have to tell you this again. Guess I still want you. You know this wasn't in my plan. So if I've interrupted anything, I promise I won't call you again. Now I'm doing just fine with my girl, not about to let her go. Just because you find me once again, it doesn't mean you're coming back home. Now it's been about 2 years or so since we went our separate ways.